Hey everybody, Wolfie here. Got myself a new play toy to go with the sawmill. Not exactly a play toy, but it's a chainsaw and blade sharpener for all my Dremel. It's got this is the fitting that goes on it for doing the chainsaw. It's got probably ain't gonna be able. Oh, you can sort of make it out. It's got the angle markings on it for when you're doing each side. It's got a couple other fittings for the other types of blades. Like, I'm going to take advantage of this and sharpen things up really good, like the scythe, because, well, it needs a good edge on it. It's been a while. And it also came with the different types of, I should unpackage this before I started recording. It also came with the different, well, came with a nice brand new little Dremel wrench, which is nice. It came with the different size sharpening stones and the bigger one for using on the heavier blades. Now, if I'm correct, I'll be using this little guy on the chainsaw. But I thought it was great because you just unscrew your piece off the end and this thing screws right on there. Perfect. So, and then of course in goes the bit. There we go. I may have to switch my end in this before I can put this in, but nope, that'll work. Tighten her up good. There we go. All set to go. Perfect. Now I just gotta get some power. So I'm gonna have to run the generator, but I can't wait to see how well this does at sharpening the saw. Never used any type of power sharpener for it, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Okay, let's see if we can get the camera sitting here right. My tripod just broke. Okay, let's test out this saw with a nice new edge. pretty good cuts. Well, I'm pretty impressed with how that little sharpener works. Only took me like, geez, maybe 3 minutes to sharpen the saw. And, well, once I remembered I had to put some gas and oil in it. And yeah, I tried starting it before refilling it. But yeah, it did great. Put a beautiful edge on it. That thing just dropped right through most of that stuff. The maple was a little more difficult, but I expected that. Maple usually is. The other stuff's pretty well dried, so. But yeah, not bad. I definitely like that little sharpener. And it was like, I think it was like 18 bucks, 16 or 18 bucks on Amazon, so well worth it. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. We're gonna move on to the real test, and we're gonna do the sawmill testings in a few shortly. At some point today. It's pretty warm. Okay, we'll talk to you all soon.